Hello my friends. Now I'm going to record a video, try to explain how to connect each wire for the motor. You know, inside this block making machine, there's totally there are three different motors, and one is here is for the transfer, for the block transfer. This motor, try to remember before you using. Try to remember to remove these caps and try to feel the gear oil inside, which is very important for you to remember. And the second motor is this one. This motor is also for transfer the material downside the material hopper here, right? And the third electric motor is the big one. Is this big one? This big one will be supply the power to the hydraulic station. So totally there are three motors for you to remember. Now I will teach you how to connect each motor electricity wire. Like what I showed you here, this boxing. Now I open, right? Now it's covered. Now it's open. And at the left location, down location, is for you to connect the power wires for the hydraulic station electric motor, electricity motor, which motor is 18.5 kilowatts. Try to remember, find it. So you see the oil pump. I mark it oil pump motor. You know there are three wires, right? Because it's three phase, 380 voltage, three phase, 50 hertz. So there are three wires. Please remember to don't make a mistake about each wire's connection location. So at the beginning you try to connect the three wires at each location, and how to test whether you connect the wire is correct or not. You know if you after you connect that wires, you will switch on the oil pump. Here you see I do the mark, the direction, the raw direction. So you will check this rolling, this one, the electric motor rolling direction should be should be here, should be like this, right? That's like here, should be this direction. I do the mark, so it should be this. So if you think the direction is in this way, in this way is not correct. In this way is not correct. If it is not correct, you try to exchange the wires. Each two is okay, or maybe you can change this one to be here, and this one to be here, and until you will find the rolling direction is in this way. That's correct. Okay. And here, this motor, the wire is for the U2 V2 W2 is for connection the plate receiver. You see, I do see. Oh wait, sorry. You see, plate receiver. What's the meaning of a plate receiver? Is this one? This one is the plate receiver. Sorry. This one is the plate receiver. This motor, for this motor. And another motor is feed material. U3 V3 W3 feed material motor. Feed material motor is which one? Is this one? Okay, is this one. Okay. So they are the connection for the motor. And this power is for the main power. It's for the main power here. Over here. It's for the main power. So that means you will connect your cable, the cable power from your power source, from the host power source. This one. Okay. And this one is the switch. This one is the switch. And if you would like to switch off, you do like this. And if you plan to switch on, yeah, sorry. Wow, it's very hard to switch on. So now it's switch off. So if you would like to switch on your block machine, you should lift up this switch. And what you should do is is for the sensors. You know, for the sensor, this sensor, there are how many? 4. There are 4. No. Here is 4 sensors. The first one, the second one, third one, fourth one. The fourth sensor, this one, no need to change. This sensor location, no need to change at all. So should be the topmost location. For the mode, for the head mode, lift up to the topmost one, to the topmost location. This one no need to change. And this one, this sensor, the second sensor, that means while the head mode go down and compress, go down and compress, and while this part, this ion, go down and compress down, touch here. Okay, that means the mode, the head mode of the brakes, to be the correct location. Go to the correct location. This one. And the bottom one, the bottom location is to control the mode box area. This plate. So that means we have to control. We have to control this mode box plate should be at the bottom, and should attach with the pellets, the plates, this iron plates. So this one no need change. And this one is maybe sometimes you should adjust this sensor location. This sensor location means after your blocks is formed well, so that means the machine will lift up this mode, right? So the mode will be, this one will be lift up and go here. You see, this part, this iron will be lift up at approaching here. I will tell you. You see, after the plate, now the motor box here, now you can see. Now there's a hydraulic cylinder at the bottom of the motor box. We'll give the power to lift up the mold, this mold inside. So after you see this plate, this the mold plates, right? The mold plates. How to see? Beyond, after this mold plate, beyond is beyond about 2 centimeter of the motor box from the motor box. That's okay. That's okay. So after you check, okay, after you check the motor plate, this one, the motor plate is beyond of the motor box plate level about 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. It's okay. So you try to locate this sensor. Locate this sensor. You will use the winch to locate this sensor. Okay, this sensor. I think you can understand. And inside this one, all of the sensor wires. Remember not to do any other adjustment on it. Okay. There's no need for you to do any adjustment inside this connection, because if you made a mistake and maybe some wires is fall down, it dropped down, there will be problem for you to understand how to connect back. It's very difficult. So remember, this one no need to change. This one, all of the wires, remember, no need to change at all. Okay. And there are also 2 sensors here for the material card. This one back location sensor. This one forward location sensor. This one material card, back location sensor, forward location sensor. So if you see now the light is lying. This light is lighting now. It's shining. It's shining. Shining. So that means you see the material cut. The material cut is at the right location, and that means after the material cut, go forward, right? Go forward, and this parts go forward here. Attach this sensor. So the material card will be, at this forward location of the motor box for feeding the material. It's one sensor, and this sensor, the cable here. See, I will do the mark. This sensor, the cable is here. The cable, this cable. Okay, I will show you where. This cable is it's here. Is this one. This cable is this one. It's the main machine junction box. It's the main machine. The main machine junction box. This one. What you need to do is you just you see, it's very easy. This junction is very easy. You stank it and lock it. And this sensor, the oil tank. Sorry, it's made a mistake about the special fix. The how to say? It should be the oil tank. You see, oil tank junction box. This one release, right? And you now release this cable. Lock it. Where is the cable? This cable line. I will show you where is the connector. Where? Okay, this one. This one. This one is here. It's here. Is this one? There are two boxes, but this one is here. This one. And this one, the line is for the hydraulic station. For the hydraulic station, and also same all of the wiring connection no need to be exchanged. All of the wires no need to be exchanged, so you just keep it same as we did it before we delivery. Okay, this one. So I think now is it's for the all of the connection, so next video I will show you. No, I will continue to do the the explanation